Let's start. The project name is Custom Alert Dialog. Let's see the project structure. Here we have a main activity and a custom alert dialog class. And in the UI, we have activity_main.xml, which is the layout of main activity, and a custom_layout.xml file, which we will use as the layout for custom alert dialog. Let's see the UI first. Here, we have a button with Show Custom Alert Dialog as a text. Let's see the code. So, we have constraint layout as the root layout. And this is the button. In the custom_layout file, we have a text view and a button. Let's see the code. Here, we have card view as the root layout. Then we have a constraint layout. Inside the constraint layout, we have the text view. And this is the button. Now let's see the Java code. These are the imports. This is the custom alert dialog class, which extends the dialog fragment. In the data members, we have an alert dialog builder, a context, an activity, and a layout. In the constructor, we will set the data members. In the onCreateDialog function, we create the dialog. First, we create a dialog builder. Then we inflate the custom layout, which is the custom_layout.xml file, into a view. Then we set this view into the dialog builder. Now, when the button in the custom layout is clicked, we dismiss the dialog and show a toast. Finally, we create the dialog. Let's see the main activity. These are the imports. This is the main activity. In the onCreate function, when the button is clicked, first we create an object of custom alert dialog class, and pass the main activity context, and custom_layout as the parameters. And finally we show the alert dialog. Let's run the app. As you can see, when I click the button, a custom alert dialog pops up. And when I click this button, the dialog gets dismissed with a toast. So that's it. That's how you can implement a custom alert dialog in Java Android. Thanks for watching.